Everyone, this is Kyle. Do you know how we ensure top-notch quality in ECJET? Let's get into the workshop and see how we make it. Let's go. ECJET practices lean manufacturing and 5S management in our workshop. As you can see, our workshop is very clean and neat. And I have to tell you that this is our daily routine. We didn't make any preparation for these factory tours. The management concept is not just about buildings. Look at this. Each machine has a set of cards, which records the order configuration, task results, and any important information we need to know about, to make sure that each machine is traceable.